Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a gem I created that allows you to create an adaptive assessment on pretty much any subject you want. So I am at the Gemini web app, and I'm going to click on the gem icon here to display all the gems. And I'm going to show you something that I created. I'm going to use this one right here. I actually have three different ones, but this one allows me to tell it how many questions I want. And basically, what I can do here is I can now create an adaptive assessment with as many questions as I want on any subject that I want. Now, what I would think a teacher would do here, or at least one of the things I would recommend doing, is on this little plus down here, you can actually add files from your Google Drive if it has the content that you're looking to assess, or even if you're keeping some content in Notebook LM, you can add notebooks to this as a source. And basically, what will happen is it will create the quiz based on that content, which so that would just be anything that you would use in your normal curriculum, the stuff you would want to be teaching on anyway. So I'm just going to pick a random chapter here. Let's do this one. And now it's only going to consider the information in this notebook. It's going to come up with a quiz on just that stuff. So let's say, give me a 7-question quiz on this material. And I'll just click the button. Now, what should happen is I'm going to get a web-based quiz. It's not going to print it on paper. It's tough to get an adaptive assessment printed on paper since the questions are static. But what this will allow me to do is create one question at a time, which I can look at on my screen, answer it, get feedback on it, and then it won't generate the next question until after I answer the current question, and it assesses whether or not I got it right or wrong. Right now, one of the things about using a gem to do something like this is if your students don't have access to Gemini at all, they cannot do this. This will require some interaction with the student with this Gemini app. And if they don't have access to Gemini and it's blocked for them, this is not something that they would be able to do. All right, so it looks like my quiz is finishing up here. All right, so I get a question. I'm just going to pick one. No, not quite. Notice I get feedback. And now, because I got this question wrong, that's going to influence the next question that I get. Notice there's no second question printed yet. It's not going to do that until I click next. All right, so find the zeros of the function. I think it's D. All right, so that's right. All right, and then I get another question. I'll just pick another one, random one. Oh, no, got that one right too. Awesome. Determine whether the function is even or odd. That's an even function. Write a quadratic function in standard form. I'm just going to guess one. Nope, it's wrong. All right, notice it's keeping track of my results. I've got 2 wrong and 3 right so far. Determine whether it's linear, exponential, or quadratic. I'm just going to go quadratic, not quite. Well, it is quadratic, just not for the reason specified. And let's see, this is the 7th question. Find the average rate of change. I'll save that. Oh, look, I guessed right. Now I'm done. And it gives me this nice little report. Now, the downside to this, aside from students not being able to use it if they don't have access to Gemini, is this feedback is really great, but you can't really save the results anywhere. I guess you could have students take a screenshot of it and send it to you. I'm not sure I would use this for something that I would maybe take for a grade. Uh, but if they can send you a screenshot, maybe you do completion. You can click on the link, Analyze My Performance, and they can get even more feedback. They even get the option to either create flashcards or a study guide so that they can continue to study what it is that they were having problems with. Right. So you can kind of see why this is such a powerful tool here. Students can take an adaptive assessment, it's customized to their ability, their skills, their needs, and the teacher doesn't have to spend forever trying to sort of do that themselves or just get to a point where they realize that's going to take too much time and I'm just not going to do it. Right. So this I think is a really powerful application of Gemini, and I think it's worth giving it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.